Today we are going to learn about doubling and halving. So doubling is same as multiplying by 2 or to have 2 of something. So what does this mean? For example, they are asking you to find out double of 4. I told you it is same as multiplying by 2. So you can take 4 and multiply with 2. So 4 into 2 is nothing but 8. So double of 4 is 8, or else to have 2 of something. So you're going to just add 4. 4 plus 4. Okay, you're having 4 two times. So to have something, 2 of something. To have 2 of something. So 4 plus 4 is nothing but 8. Both are same. You can either multiply with 2 or you can add the same number again. So double of 43, you can do it as 43 into 2. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 4s are 8. So double of 43 is nothing but 8 is 6. Or another way of doing is, I told you have to write it again. So 43 plus 43. So 43 plus 43 is nothing but 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus 4, 8. 86. So double of 69, you can just multiply with 2. So when you multiply, you will get 138, or you can add 69 plus 69. So it is also nothing but 138. There is also another way of doing it, which is nothing but 69. You can double it with ones and tens. So first find double of 60. So double of 60 is nothing but 120. 60, which is in the tens column, and then double of ones. So 9 plus 9 is nothing but 18. So 120 plus 18 also gives you the same answer. You can double first the tens place and double the ones place and then add it. You will get the answer. The next one is halving. Halving means finding half of something. How can we find half of something? We can just divide by 2. So how can we do that? So we have to find half of 6. We have to divide them by 2, I told. So just draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're going to divide, make it into 2, 2. So 1 pair, 2, and 3. So how many sets you get? You're getting 1, 2, 3. So the half of 6 is nothing but 3. Similarly, half of 8 if you want to do. Just like that, draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and make it into 2. You're going to divide by 2. So make 2 pairs. Make a pair. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets. So half of 8 is nothing but 4. So previously we saw a single digit number and we saw how we can find halving by dividing it into 2 pairs. By dividing it by 2. So we have a bigger number 64. So we can't draw 64 lines and making it into a pair. So instead of that, we can find half of tens and then half of ones to make it easy. So half of tens is nothing but half of 3 is nothing but we know it is 3. Half of 4 is nothing but 2. So this is the answer. The half of 64 is nothing but 32. Same way, half of 84. How do we find half of 84? We have to find half of first tens place. So half of 8 is nothing but 4, and half of 4. Half of 4 is nothing but 2. So the answer is 42. So half of 72. So we can't find half of 7. We'll have 1 extra. Just draw and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to make 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3. And I'm having 1 extra. So we know that half of 7 is, we got 3. So just write 3. And this 1 is there extra. So just move this 1 to the ones place so that this becomes 12 now. So now find half of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. So the answer is 36. Similarly, half of 54. So we cannot find exact half of 5. We will get one extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because it's an odd number, it will not make exact pair. So 1, 2. So we've got 2 sets. So we will write that 2 here for 5. And we've got one extra which goes to the next one with the ones. So ones is 14 now. So you're going to find half of 14. Half of 14 is nothing but 7. So in this way, if you're getting one extra in the tens column, you just shift it to the ones column, and with that you find the half.